Hi kids, I'm Miss Abby, and today we are going to be learning about the scaffold method of division. Okay, so we're going to start by showing how to divide 182 by 12 using the scaffold division. And so if we're looking at the 182, we can see that 10 groups of 12 will go into 182. So we're going to write 10 groups of 12 over here, and then we're going to take and subtract that from the 182. We're going to get 2 here and 6 right there, and the ones are going to cancel. And then we look at how many groups of 12 can we get to go into 62. And we can see that 5 groups of 12 will go into 62, and that's going to be 60. And then we're going to subtract 60 from 62, and then we are going to see that we have a remainder of 2. And then what we do with the groups over here to get the answers, we take 10 plus the 5 groups and we get 15, and then we still have that remainder of 2, so we're going to put remainder 2, and that's our answer. Okay, and so now using the base blocks, we are going to see that this is a flat, and a flat is worth 100, and these are called a long, and that is worth 10, and then these are just the little units, which are all worth 1. And now we are going to use these base blocks to check our answer for the 182 divided by 12. So we are going to take 182, and we are going to put it into 12 groups. So I'm going to grab the flat, which is the 100. I'm going to grab 8 of these, which is the 80, and then we are going to grab 2 of the units. So if we're going to put these into 12 groups, we're right away going to notice that we have to break this flat into 10 units. So we are going to take that out and grab 10 units, or 10 longs. And then we are going to divide all of this into 12 groups. So we are going to start by making 12 of these. And I believe that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. We're just going to move one up there. And then here's what we have left. So right away we're going to notice that we have to break these 6 longs into units. So we are going to make those 60 units. And I believe that was 60 there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this remainder and we are going to split it among our 12 groups. And you're just going to keep on going. It's kind of a long, tedious process. And then we see that we still have the 2 left. And then we have 1 long and 5 units per group, which was our answer, 15 with a remainder of 2. Okay, so my name is Ms.Sam, and we're going to go over another problem to show you scaffold division. Okay, so our problem, we're going to be doing 198 divided by 18. So we're just going to draw that out here. Okay, so we're going to look at that, and we're going to see that we can get 10 groups of 18 into this problem. So we're just going to write that out on the side so we can keep track. And that's going to give us 180. So we're just going to have to subtract that from there. And that's going to leave us with 18 left over. So then we can see that we only have one group left that'll fit. So one group of 18. So we're just going to write that down. And that means we do not have a remainder. So if we add that up on the side, that gives us the answer of 11. Okay, so we have to check our answer with the base blocks. So 198, we're going to be using one flat, which is the 100, and then we're going to need 9 longs. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So far we have 190, and then we need 8 units. We're going to need 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this represents right here 198. And so if we're going to break them into 18 groups, we're going to need to break this up into 10 units, or 10 longs actually. So then we're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So then let's start off by breaking it into 18 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so we're going to need to break this into 10 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to take these, which is the 8 units, and then this, which is the 10, and we're going to put them into the 18 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So then we don't have any remainders. This is all out of the problem now. So then if we count our groups, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. And then in each group we have 1 long and 1 unit, which is 11, and that gives us our answer of 11. Go. Okay, so in summary, we're just going to talk about everything that we learned today. So we learned that 1 flat equals 100. We also learned that 1 long equals 10. And lastly, we learned that 1 unit equals 1. So what we did in the scaffold division is we made this was when you combine them all together, and then this was how many groups we broke it down into, and this was how many was in each group. Because when we looked at the side, this showed us how many are in a group of 18. So when we had this and we needed to split it up into more groups, we had to break this up, but we had to trade it into the same amount. So 1 flat equals 10 longs, so we'd have to trade them in. 1 long equals 10 units, so we'd have to trade them in for 10. And now those were ways of how you can check your scaffold division.
So, Miss Sam talked about everything that we learned today, and I agree that we learned a lot. So thank you guys for listening so well and participating. You guys did a great job. Have a great rest of your day.